Welcome to our guide on utilizing Navy Federal Credit Union's online banking features. Let's discover how easy it is to manage your finances. First things first, let's go over how to register for online banking. Simply head over to the Navy Federal website and click on Register. Once registered, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Here, you can view all your accounts at a glance. Managing your accounts has never been easier. You can easily check your balance, transaction history, and more. Transferring funds between your accounts is straightforward. Just select your accounts, enter the amount, and click Transfer. Pay your bills with ease. Choose the Pay Bills option on the dashboard and follow the prompts. Stay informed. Set up alerts for your account activities and manage notifications to keep track of your finances. Access your statements and transaction history easily by clicking on Statements. You can view and download them directly. Don't forget about the mobile app. It's perfect for banking on the go, allowing you to manage your accounts anywhere. In conclusion, with these tools, online banking is simpler than ever. Remember to practice safe banking habits.